Hello students, welcome to grammar class. In this video, we'll see about correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are always used in pairs. The two connectors in each sentence that are related to each other are known as correlative conjunctions. Example, so that, such that, neither nor, either or, not only but also, etc. So that and such that are used to combine two clauses. Example, she was nervous, she could not speak a word. She was so nervous that she could not speak a word. We use so to make the meaning of an adjective more emphatic, so we place them before the adjective. The movie had an unexpected ending. The viewers sat shocked. The movie had such an unexpected ending that the viewers sat shocked. Here we use such to make the meaning of a noun or a noun phrase more emphatic. So we place them before a noun or a noun phrase. Now we'll see about either or. Either or suggests a choice between two alternatives. Example, we can get this phone repaired. We can buy a new one. We can either get this phone repaired or buy a new one. The company may donate the prize money. The company may set up a school. The company may either donate the prize money or set up a school. Neither nor. Neither nor is used to combine two negative statements. Neither by itself is negative. It means not either. So, do not use not when using neither nor. Example, the crowd would not listen, the crowd would not sit down. Both the sentences are joined together using the correlative conjunction. The crowd would neither listen nor sit down. You are not allowed to fish in this lake. You are not allowed to swim in this lake. You are neither allowed to fish or swim in this lake. Usually, when we are joining two phrases or clauses by using either or neither nor, we should check if the second subject, which is closest to the verb, is in singular or plural. Neither Megha nor her brothers are ready to go to the party. In this sentence, her brothers is the second subject and it is plural. So, we have written a plural verb, that is are. In the second example, either mom or dad is going to pick you up from the airport. Here the second subject is dad, which is singular. So we have written a singular verb, that is. Now we'll see about not only but also. Not only but also is used to highlight the two roles. Television provides information and entertainment can be written using a correlative conjunction. Television provides not only information but also entertainment. The staff at the water park were friendly and efficient can be written as the staff at the water park were not only friendly but also efficient. Thanks for watching.